Hello there, and welcome to Roman numerals. So Roman numerals were used by Romans as their numbering system. In this system, alphabets are used to denote numbers and their combinations to create larger numbers. This particular following table shows you the Roman numerals all the way from 1 to 10, and then they're going up in tens from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And then you have denominations of 500, 1,000, and 1,500. Okay, so Roman numerals are important, so you need to learn these. By all means, take a photograph of this image or actually write it down in your books. The first question says, translate the Roman numeral shown below. So the Roman numeral that we have here is M and D. So let's have a look at M. So M stands for 1,000 and D stands for 500. And if you were to add the two together, then that gives us 1,500 as our answer. Okay, so good luck with the rest of these questions. In our next lesson, we'll explain to you in much more detail how these Roman numerals actually work. Good luck. Thank you.